Okay. Focus. தெரியுதுண்ணா
எங்கம்மா ஒரே இருட்டாகுது ஒன்றுமே தெரியலையாம்மா
பேச தெரியலையா ஃப்ளாஷ் ஏது மறைச்சிருது இந்த ஃப்ளாஷில்
இல்லையா ஃப்ளாஷே இல்லையா
அப்போ நான் அங்கே போய் எடுக்கிறேன் ஹாய் வணக்கம் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க இப்போ தெரியுதா அண்ணா தெரியுதா என் முகம் தெரியுதா தெரியுதுல்ல ஹாய் திஸ் இஸ் Sati Devi Rudran. I just want to prove you guys how much time it takes to circumambulate the temple once, because there has been a time anomaly. I'm sorry. So we're here at the sorry. We're here at the Marandiswara temple. Irulniki Amman Sameda Marandiswara temple. I just want to hold the board. I will see the board. Guys, I should have come during the day. It's okay. Whatever. I'm going to start now. Let's see how much time it takes for us to circumambulate the temple once. I was running on that day, but today I'm going to walk. I'm just going to walk slowly, so you would actually know what time it takes for us to go around the temple once. On that day it was நான் இங்கே தான் சாமி கும்பிடுவேன். வேண்டாம் இருங்க, நானே வந்துடுறேன். ஆமாம், டெய்லி அப்படி தான் சுற்றுறேன். They are scared for me. They are so scared for me. Okay, they don't want me to go alone. So this is the Karuvarai, the sanctum of the Lord. Can be seen from this gate. Do you see this gate? It's too dark. I'm afraid we can't see anything without flash. The thing is, my anamorphic lens is actually not allowing the flash to come out. So what do I do, guys? Let's go out and take the anamorphic lens off so we can see what's on the way. You are seeing me walking through the bushes. It's not a very hard path, and come on guys. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Hiranya Bahave, Hiranya Varnaya, Hiranya Rupaya, Hiranya Pataye, Ambika Pataye, Uma Pataye, Pashupataye, Namo Namah. Oh, are you able to see anything, guys? Are you able to see anything? When I was starting here, I saw the Naga Devata standing on my way, because she doesn't want me to document this time frame, this time anomaly. This is the ant hill. Are you able to see it? It's a very big ant hill. I'm not able to capture its top. Okay. We are back on our track. This is the west side of the temple. Do you see the temple? This is the west side of the temple. Om Namo Hiranya Bahave, Hiranya Varnaya, Hiranya Rupaya, Hiranya Pataye, Ambika Pataye, Uma Pataye, Pashupataye, Namo Namaha. Yeah, this is the prayer that is said to ward off evil. Om Namo Hiranya Bahave. So I was going like this, because here's a thorn bush here. On that day, I actually went near the compound wall and pushed this thorn bush away. And I felt that there's a snake that would bite me here. And I prayed for the snake, that the Lord should not punish the snake if it bites me, and instead he should save me, or better prevent the snake bite. And I continued. It was raining, so I was running like this. For example, I think you could see me. I was just jumping and running like this, okay? But I don't want to run now because I'm not able to see the floor. I actually tripped a bit now because of the stones. Now I'm walking on clear ground. Om Namo Hiranya Bahave, Hiranya Varnaya, Hiranya Rupaya, Hiranya Pataye, Ambika Pataye, Uma Pataye, Pashupataye, Namo Namaha. Om Namo Hiranya Bahave, Hiranya Varnaya, हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः. ॐ नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः. Rudra, please come with me. I'm so scared. Om Namah Shivaya. Actually, guys, when I was coming through the north wall, did you hear that motor sound? I thought it was some dog sound or some Bigfoot sound, and I was so scared, guys. Okay, behind this temple, behind that anthill is the Rudragiri mountain. So I was walking between the forest, mountain forest, and between the temple and the mountain forest. Okay, guys. Now I'm walking slow. I think you can see my feet. Okay. Fine. That's my feet. You know, this feet belongs to, okay, not without the anamorphic lens. Don't see my face. It's going to be so grainy and, you know, scary rather. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. And then I walked here that day and I drank some water here. When the driver saw me and told me, you know, do you see that scooty? The SUV was standing there, was parked there. He told me, we have been searching for you for so long. Where have you been? They came for you 2 to 3 times. Your friends came for you. Okay, fine. Here we are. I've circumambulated after all that chit chat and talk in about 7 minutes. It's going to be 7 minutes. Okay, guys, do you still believe me? I'm sorry. Don't you still believe me? Okay, let's get this anamorphic lens on. You know what? I made a video yesterday of this, but what happened was the video is missing. Only that video is missing. And if you didn't hear any motor sound while we were walking through the bushes, and I think it's some Bigfoot trying to scare the hell out of me, so I wouldn't post this video. What reason could be there that I shouldn't expose the time anomaly that is truly here? Here I am. I think do you see my face? So do you believe me that it won't take 30 minutes? At least it must have been 15 to 20 minutes, guys. And according to me, I went out at 6:50 and came back at 7:20. You heard the evidence of the driver. So there is a time loop, a time anomaly, something that happens here. Maybe due to the presence of Lord Shiva whenever he comes. Maybe gods are all... I'm sorry. I don't want to talk about that. I don't want to get banned, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
டவர் கிடைக்குதாம்மா இங்க?
இல்லை, நான் ஃபோனில் தான் எடுக்கிறேன்.